All right, let's dive into the world of video editing. So I've just added a video and now I'm eager to give it that classic black and white charm. Here's how we can do it with style. First things first, head up to the color tab, you'll find it right there. Now we want to play around with the Lumetri Color Panel. Look for the creative section and make sure it's open. In the adjustments, grab that serration slider and slide it all the way to the left. Poof, your video is now black and white just like that. Now, if you're satisfied with the basic black and white effect, awesome. You're good to go. But hey, let's dig a little deeper, shall we? Open up the basic correction settings. Here's where the magic happens. Adjusting the black and whites look is as easy as pie. To give your video some extra pop, crank up that contrast slider. Boom! Instant transformation. But wait, there's more. If you want a more specific and tailored look, experiment with the other sliders. For example, tweaking the black slider can make those blacks stand out even more. On the flip side, nudging the white slider can make those whites shine brighter. And oh, don't forget to play around with the shadows and highlights for that extra refinement. Now here's the exciting part. There's no right or wrong here. Don't worry about my exact settings. That's not the point. It's all about having fun and exploring what works best for your video. Each clip is unique, and that's what makes this process so cool. So get creative, my friend. Tinker with those sliders, experiment, and let your imagination run wild. Find the black and white look that suits your video's vibe perfectly. That's it for this quick and awesome tutorial. You guys rock! Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see what stunning black and white videos you'll create. Until next time, happy editing!